Welcome to our channel. If you're encountering playback errors while trying to watch FuboTV, follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue and get back to streaming. Step 1. Check if FuboTV is experiencing any service outages by visiting their official social media accounts or downdetector.com for reported issues. Step 2. Verify your internet connection is working properly by testing it with other streaming services or running a speed test. Step 3. Close the FuboTV app completely and reopen it. On most devices, this means force closing the app rather than just minimizing it. Step 4. Restart your streaming device by unplugging it from power for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in and allowing it to fully reboot. Step 5. Clear the FuboTV app cache and data by going to your device settings, finding the FuboTV app, and selecting Clear Cache. Step 6. Check for FuboTV app updates in your device's app store and install any available updates. Step 7. Uninstall and reinstall the FuboTV app if the error persists. This ensures you have a fresh installation with the latest version. Step 8. Contact FuboTV customer support if the playback error continues after trying all these steps. Provide them with any error codes you're seeing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.